Oh, I just started reading Thunder Beat. Today's newspaper, Thunder Beat Spurs 107.99 of the other Western champion. What? They need to play again today? What the hell is this? What the hell is this? It's a mistake. Newspaper mistake. Thunder already won 107.99 yesterday. On the schedule, they keep saying need to play today at Oklahoma. What the hell? Los Angeles Lakers. Slendy time. This is today's newspaper. They play already. Last night. What happened? God. What happened? Los Angeles Stars.